Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and through this video I would like to show to you about CapCut tutorial and the way how to remove the audio from video clip on a CapCut application. First thing we have to do is to open our CapCut application and just open it in the project, or you can also create in the new one. So you already have the video, and this this video has the audio. Let's just check it.
우리 지원이가
So sometimes the audio from the video can cause a copyright, so you cannot post the video into your social media. To avoid that, we just need to go remove the audio or the real audio, original audio of the video. To do that, there will be two ways in the CapCut. So the first thing you have to do is just go click the clip, and there will be like pop-up several sections down here, so you just need to go slide into the left side until you find volume, and then you just need to click it and just drag the point until it's in a 0 point. So drag it into the left side until it's 0, and you can see there is no audio anymore on the video. So that is the first way. There will be also the easiest way to do that. So let's bring the volume back.
우리 지원이
And the easiest way is just go take a look on this line. Right in the left side, there will be like this audio icon, which is with the mute information. So you just need to click them, and the audio will be automatically removed. So that is the way, guys, how to remove audio from video clip on a CapCut. Hopefully today's tutorial is help you so much. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you for the next video.